Domino's Pizzas is a multinational American pizza company started some 65 years ago. They have 15,000 stores in 83 countries all over the world. They offer pizzas and other Italian dishes with a variety of toppings and crust styles. The side dishes may contain chicken, bread, Coca-Cola and other beverages. India is the largest market of Domino's Pizza outside the United States. In India, Domino's pizzas are spicier and more vegetable oriented, and they use unique toppings like pickled ginger in India. And we can also find Indian style toppings like tandoori chicken and paneer. Indian Domino's stores offer various vegetarian and non-vegetarian pizza options and suitable side dishes. They offer chicken golden delight, chicken dominator, pepper barbecue and onion pizza, chicken sausage pizza, chicken pepperoni pizza, creamy tomato pasta pizza and Moroccan spice pizza.